Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about eBay and PayPal fees. So in this video I'll be explaining PayPal and eBay fees that you need to know about before you start an eBay business. I will go through what the fees are, how they are taken from you, and how you can calculate them. So PayPal fees. The PayPal fees for selling an item on eBay is 2.9% add 30 pence, or whatever 30 pence is in your country's currency. PayPal take their fee when you receive the payment, and they take the fee as a payment for you using PayPal as the payment method. This could not be so good if you're selling cheap items, as it will take a bigger proportion of your profit than it would if you're selling an item for £10 or more. eBay fees. The eBay fees for selling a product is 10%, and it's 10% of the item price and the postage price combined. For example, if your item sold for £9 and you charge the buyer £1, eBay would take 10% of £9 at £1. So it would be a total of £10 and they would take 10% of that, which would be a £1 fee. eBay is different to PayPal, and they bill you monthly for their fees, so you always have to make sure that you have some money ready to pay it, and it normally will automatically get taken from your PayPal account, so make sure you have some money in there, but you will get sent an email when the money will be taken. How you can calculate them. So in total, when you sell an item on eBay, 12.9% add 30p gets taken away from you in fees. It could take a while to manually work this out, so there's a good website I use called finalfeecalc.co.uk, and all you have to do is put in the relevant information and it will tell you how much PayPal is taking away from you in fees, how much eBay is taking away from you in fees, and then the profit you are left over with. It's really handy to use, as it could take a long time working it out all on your own, so it's quick and easy to work out. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more information.